car, so this is what I'm doing. I put a new controller on the bird. 36 volts, 500 watts. Fits right up in there. That's the bird. Bird 2, I believe. And then the thing is like this, you see? Take the battery out. You just gotta eliminate it. You gotta make it look like that right there. And this goes right on here like this. Just like that, and you screw it down, and you're good to go. My next project is that front tire with another motor I'm gonna put in the front. So this bird is gonna have 2 motors, one in the back and one in the front. And then I'm gonna add this battery, another battery with another controller on this bird.